Ready to dazzle with the world of black-colored stationery? Whether you are looking to make a bold statement or just love the classic elegance of black, this episode is a must-watch for you. Jump in to discover these chic stationery essentials with us. Arkno Pencil Case. It's easy to open tray pencil case. It can open in just 1 second because of the inbuilt magnet that keeps the stuff inside. Mitsubishi Boxy Ballpoint Pen. This Japanese pen will give you a smooth and consistent writing experience. It dries quickly, doesn't smudge, and ensure clean writing. Sunstar Silicone Pen Pouch. No lid, no zipper. This pen case is made of silicone, which ensures excellent cushioning to the pens. Sunstar Shredder Scissors. 1? No 2? Nope. This shredder scissors gives 7 cuts in just 1 stroke. Comes with a safety cover and can be used for art and craft or any other purposes. Sunstar Dot Square Marker. Want pixel pictures? This dot square marker is your hero. It can be used as a general marker as well and can write on any surface. Deli Classic Stationery Set of 12. There's nothing better than a full desk organizing kit. Deli has these 12 pieces set to cover your dues. From scissors to staplers and pencil to paper pins, it has it all. Lovely black journal, a box of magic, filled with spectacular stickers and a journal to give to your wonderful ideas. Experience the joy of writing on this amazing journal. Sunstar Letter Opener and Cutter. Tired of searching for ordinary cutters and scissors every time you receive a letter? This Sunstar has a portable and magnetic 2-way cutter for you. Don't take long to read letters from your loved ones. Magnifying glass. Sunstar Loop. Unable to guess this stationery product, while facing an issue while reading your novel? Use this Sunstar sticky loop will magnify the words and sentences for you. 10. Tank pens. Tired of refilling your pens again and again? Try these tank pens by Sunstar, so your ideas does not have to wait to be written. Here is how it looks. Its overwhelming ink capacity will give you the vibe to write.